the competitive pressures that customers are seeing from their competition who's moving online and doing more with social media and social data and interaction data and channel data. Business is so specialized today, and there are so many different requirements for data throughout the organization that you can't really centralize the data within any one of those applications. You have to treat the data as a strategic asset for the business, which means it has to be run and it has to be managed and it has to be governed on its own. The message is clear. You better get your house in order. You need to get your data organized. You need to get a handle on it. You need to have control of your data during every stage of the data lifecycle. That the visibility into the data has to be real time. The governance has to be proactive, and it has to be during the onboarding process. And so as customers are looking at these different data solutions, they need to make sure that they're not doing throwaway work. You don't want to solve today's problem and then pitch it out the window a year from now when a new requirement comes down the pipe. You want to have a system that you can grow into that's flexible and adaptable and powerful. And that's really where Informatica shines.